Hey everyone, Verizon Mobile Protect, what it covers, key benefits, and whether it's worth the cost. Here's everything you need to know. Verizon Mobile Protect offers robust coverage, convenience, and support, making it a good investment for many users, especially those prone to accident or with expensive devices. Coverage, loss, theft, and accidental damage, including drops and spills, post warranty malfunctions, hardware failure after the manufacturer's warranty expires, cracked screen and back glass repair for select smartphone with $0 deductible for these repairs, battery replacement for select smartphones experiencing post-warranty battery issues, unlimited claims per registered line $99, damage replacement deductible for damage not eligible for cracked glass repair, same day delivery and setup pro on the go for replacement smartphone and new devices purchased on Verizon.com. In person device refresh, device optimization, and screen protector installation at no extra cost, 24 by 7 premium tech support, and digital security tools. Benefits unlimited claims, no annual limit on the number of claims you can file per registered line, $0 deductible for cracked screen or back glass repair for select devices and locations. Same day delivery and setup. Replacement devices can be delivered and set up the same day in many areas. Battery replacement, quick replacement at authorized facilities for eligible devices. Device refresh and optimization. In person service to keep your device running smoothly, plus free screen protector installation. 24 by 7 tech support, access to expert help, and digital security tool at any time. Multi device option. Verizon Mobile Protect multi device covers up to 20 lines with shared claim registration, making it suitable for families or business. Cost single device $16 to $19 per month depending on device type. Multi device $38 per month for 2 lines, $57 per month for 3 lines. $60 per month for 4 to 20 lines includes 3 shared registrations. Additional registrations can be purchased. Is it worth? Verizon Mobile Protect is a strong value for customers who want peace of mind against loss, theft, accidental damage, and hardware failures. Rely on same day device replacement and setup. Need unlimited claims and $0 deductible screen repair. Value 24 by 7 tech support and device optimization service. It is especially worthwhile for those with a high end smartphone or families with multiple devices, as repair and replacement cost can be significant without protection. However, if you rely damage your phone or prefer to self insure, you may not need this level of coverage. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.